How's it going, guys? Mitch Cleary with Century 21 in Peterborough, and we're here to go over the February 2020 real estate market statistics. We're only going to go over the residential market today, so no commercial or multifamily, and we're going to break down what's happening with the supply and demand and the market prices in Peterborough. Let's get into it. So last month, 85 sales happened, and we currently only have 52 active listings left available. So for anybody who's been following these videos prior or has been watching any other market update videos, you're gonna immediately notice that the sales last month largely outpaced the amount of listings that we still have active, and that's leaving us with a months of inventory that's below 1 month, which is extremely low. 0.61, that is right around as low as it was in Toronto in 2017 when we started to have really big spread of bidding wars and rapid price increases. So this is the supply and demand metric, which tells us that we are in extremely low inventory territory. So this was just over 1 month in January, 1 month of inventory, and now we're down below, we're basically at 3 weeks, just below 3 weeks. So average price, $456,000 and change year to date. That's up 6.6% year over year, which is a good strong number, and it's already up a little over 15,000 from January. Now there was a few higher end listings that sold. There's a few things that skew that number, but in general, it's an indicator prices are rising right now. The average days on market, it was 25 days in February, which is extremely fast. It was 37 days in January, so we can see that it's decreased by 10 days month over month. And 25 days, think of all of the listings that are coming on in the 4 to 5 range or lower that are holding offers for 1 week. That means that there's no offers being submitted. There's a conditional period of a week or longer, and then you have a sale. So what it means is that these homes are selling extremely quickly. For those of you who've been watching these videos before, you know that's what I like you to consider when looking at the days on market, is you have to subtract out all the other time involved in the deal before it's considered sold. Now, something of note that's of interest specific to this month is that 33 sales were between 400,000 to 480,000. That's 39% of the total sales for the month. So what that is to say is that the inventory in this range basically got wiped out. There was a real blitz on that product range, and we've got a really low inventory count there now, and it's going to become extremely competitive. So this is a very popular price point right now in the Peterborough market, between 400 to 480. There's more people looking for that type of product than there is available. And if you're shopping in this price range, you have to be prepared. There's lots of multiple offer situations going on right now. There's lots of open houses that are seeing 20, 30 people through in 1 2-hour session. Realtors are running out of feature sheets. The house is totally packed. It's like a conveyor belt going through there. And so that obviously isn't happening as much, if at all, in the higher ranges once you start getting over $500,000. But if you're shopping and you're looking to land on something in between 400 and 480,000, it's going to be extremely competitive. If you're thinking about selling something in that range, it's definitely an easy time to sell, and you're probably going to get a great price, because the odds are, if it's priced correctly and you're competitive against what's out there, there's multiple offer scenarios happening all the time. For anybody shopping or selling in the higher price range, there is also extremely low inventory in that bracket now. If you watch earlier months videos, you would have seen that there was a bit of a glut of inventory up in the higher price ranges. That's not the case anymore. Pretty much across the board, there's really not much to choose from. So sellers are in a great spot. Buyers are in a bit of a difficult position, and they really got to be ready to decide when they see the right place that it's the one for them, or else they're not going to have a lot of time to think about it. That's it for this month, guys. I'm putting out one of these videos every month. So if you're interested in the Peterborough real estate market and the surrounding area, or general construction real estate videos, there's a market update coming every month when the statistics come out, and I'm releasing other construction related and real estate related content. Hope this was useful for you guys. If you want to see anything different in these videos, let me know, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.